Hey guys, make sure you stay tuned and we're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the traction control module, traction control or Stabilitrak module, also known guys on Chevy Equinox, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us, we'll explain what you can expect to find, and we'll share information about hidden fuse boxes, guys, information that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. And by the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. For the traction control, the Stabilitrak, which fuses, relays we need to check, we'll demonstrate on that generation Chevy Equinox. Quick advice from us guys, there will be hidden fuse boxes that 9 out of 10 owners do not know where they're located. Guys, that's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox Fuse Box Location and Diagram, a video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. What we need to do now, open the hood, and facing the engine here on the right side, that's the driver's side, we have a fuse box, that's a brake fluid reservoir. Next to it you have a fuse box, you have a clip here, clip there. You push them together on each side and leave the cover up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. And guys, what we need to check here specifically, we will be looking at 3 different components that are responsible for that. So make sure you stay until the end. Starting here, first we're going to start with fuse number 3. Now you may or may not have all of them depending on which model, year, traction control, ABS system you have as well, so Stabilitrak system. So fuse number 3, some years will have that one, okay, you may need to check. Then you need to check fuse number 13, you see that fuse right here. And then you need to check fuse number 16 as well guys, this one right there. Those are the main fuses. What about the relays? The relay function is controlled by the ABS and traction control module guys. So you don't have a relay, you just have these fuses that are known as relay fuses. If you want to see how to replace ABS brake module, how to program ABS brake module, we'll have videos on our YouTube channels that will teach you how to do that as well. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open guys interior fuse box, we want to show you, you have 2 kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you're stuck, always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share guys the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well guys. So thank you for watching, hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.